Hello guys and welcome. Sometimes in your Samsung TV you see the grayed out options on your Samsung TV. So if you go like here to broadcasting, as you can see it's grayed out, you can't change anything and it says this function isn't available. So the reason why this is grayed out right now, it's because we have apps working on the backgrounds. Like now, as you can see, Netflix is working right now. So in order to do this and fix it, let's go ahead and exit from the Netflix app. As you can see, you go to exit. So now once we exit the Netflix app, let's go ahead and check for settings. As you can see now, the broadcasting option now is available and it's not grayed out. So sometimes just make sure you don't have apps running on the background. So make sure you close them all before you see the settings. So I hope this video is helpful for you and have a nice day.